What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are scouting out some new campsites in preparation for a little group trip that I've put together. Kept the group pretty small though, so if you didn't see the invite, I put it out on Instagram for a couple hours and then closed it out after we went into max capacity. I just wanted to keep it under like 12 rigs. So thank you to everyone who decided to come out. But I've been out of commission. I've hurt my foot last week at the gym, and so I've been on crutches. This is the first day I've been able to get out, and have not been able to film. I haven't been able to get out and do any camping. So today we're getting out, we're scouting out some spots, and we're making some lunch. This is gonna be a cooking with Kaden segment, I guess, if you could say. Let me know if you guys enjoy stuff like this. It'll just be pretty straightforward, to the point. Camp cooking with Kaden. Today we're gonna be making Big Mac burritos. I have Rio here with me. She's been running around, been playing a little bit, but unfortunately this area has all of these, like, it looks all nice out here, but it's actually kind of prickly. There's a lot of prickly things around here. So like, I just went down and like touched something real quick, and literally it got me, like pierced the skin. So I'm trying to just have her run around on like the dirt here rather than, you know, into some of the brush, because this brush is serious, man. Like, I don't know, it's like the sharpest little grass blades or something. I'm not even sure what kind of brush this is, but the Mojave is just real prickly. You're hanging out in here, dog. Scoot up, back it up, back it up. Lay down. Good girl, good girl. All right, let's make some lunch. Definitely a little windy today, but it's actually quite nice because it's about 70 degrees. It's pretty warm right now for late February. Usually we should still be probably 10 degrees cooler right now. So we're gonna be making these Big Mac burritos on the Tembo Tuscadal. Back it up, back it up. So sorry, guys. I hate that noise. Let's grab our ingredients. Stay. Trying out some new liquid death. Got my ingredients here, kept it pretty simple. Some lean ground beef. I made some burger sauce before we left home, which is just a mixture of ketchup, mustard, mayo, a little bit of pickle juice, and some spices. Got some mild cheddar, some lettuce. I'm gonna cut up some onion and tomato, and then we are using this lavish bread. It's only got 120 calories, so a little bit on the leaner side, but gonna use this for our wrap. A little bit windy today. All right, guys, let's get this beef marinating. Salt and pepper. Good girl, Rio, good girl. She's mad that I'm not letting her walk around, but there's so many prickly things around here that I just don't want her to get hurt. I'm gonna put some booties on her tomorrow. All right, and while the beef is browning, we're gonna cut up some onions here. Onions and tomatoes. Big Macs usually do come with like raw onions, but if you don't like raw onions, you can just saute them first and mix them with your burger, kind of like a smash burger. And like I mentioned earlier, I am scouting out some new campsites in preparation for a group trip. So this is one of the ones I found. I wanted to do something kind of closer to town, just a quick overnighter with a bunch of people. And the kicker with that though is finding a location big enough. Originally I was thinking about going directly on Jean Dry Lake Bed, but it's really dusty out there. I don't really enjoy it too much. But so I'm making this kind of as a backup option to that. There's also another spot that we were looking at that's closer to Good Springs, Nevada, but we'll see. We'll kind of see where we end up tomorrow, but this is definitely one of the spots. I like it because it's off of the main road. You might hear some gunshots though, so we are in the Sloan Canyon area, down I think what they call lightweight, like Southern Nevada Lightweight Road, I think is what it's called. So I've never actually been down here, and I had no idea. So I've always seen videos of people shooting out here, but I never knew exactly where. So now I know, because literally all of the shooters are lined up coming into this area. But I'm way far down the road and off one of the offshoots, so I'm kind of out of that shooting area because it is kind of dirty over there. It's like really littered with trash, glass, and just stuff that people are shooting up. Unfortunately, when people come out here and shoot, you know, you're gonna have some debris that comes with that. This spot I found had the least amount of trash and debris and glass and crap like that. The only kicker again is like this terrain is so prickly, so I feel bad for the dogs. So that's why Rio's hanging out and she's not very happy about it. Since I have been injured over the last week, I have not been able to film, so I am a little bit behind on filming and making videos for you guys. It sucks, but it is what it is. Life happens, you know? So you guys already know I'll continue making videos, but I appreciate you guys' like nice, you know, positive feedback and how you guys really enjoy these videos. So I do really appreciate that. If you guys do comment, like, subscribe, it really does help out the channel, so thank you guys again. It's time to assemble. I'm gonna grab some of our lavish bread here. I'll lay this down. I'm going to use some of the burger sauce on here first. And making burger sauce, it's all about like putting things together and then like trying it as you go, just to see if you get the right consistency and sauce that you really like. So, you know, tablespoon here, tablespoon there, tablespoon of all these things. But at the end of the, you know, after I added all that, I still had to kind of tweak it a little bit to what I like in a burger sauce. So giving this one layer of burger sauce here. Throw my onions on. And again, if you don't like raw onions, you can saute these before you throw them on your burger, but I think Big Macs usually have just raw onions on them. I'm just gonna throw all these on here because I honestly don't mind too many onions. Oh, and the burger sauce also has some minced garlic too, by the way. Grab probably a scoop or two. I'm going to top this off with some lettuce and some cheese. Come on. I'll just do 2 slices here. YOLO. I'm going to throw a little bit more burger sauce on here just to give it some more sauce. Let's top it off with some lettuce.
All right, and there we have it. Our Big Mac burrito. Let me just wrap this up. So normally you do use tortillas, but I wanted to try this lavish bread, so cut this guy in half. Big Mac burrito. All right, guys, well, let's try this out here. Oh, yeah. Minus the bread, definitely is Big Mac flavored. Classic Big Mac. I will say, though, the lavish bread is okay. I think maybe if I would have warmed this up a little bit, it would have been better, but yeah, might as well try something different, you know? But this is a super easy meal to make at camp. I mean, you could even brown up the beef prior to leaving for camp, and you just heat it up real quick, put everything together. Easy enough. I've seen maybe 2 cars pass by on the main road, but other than that, it's been very, very chill. I definitely prefer a bun though, over a wrap like this, I think. I feel like burgers, you really need like that soft, pillowy texture, you know, to make it really feel like a burger. But overall, not bad. I dig it. Might save this other half for later. I'm getting a little full. This thing was pretty massive. I used like, I think, 1/4 of the meat. Easy. Good girl. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to make a quick little lunch and kind of check in with you guys, since I know I'm going to be MIA at least for 1 week off the channel. Camp Cooking with Kaden series. I don't know if this is going to be any interest to you guys, if you guys really just do like the camping content, but let me know your thoughts down below. I figured it could just be like a quick, like a little mini series of recipes that you guys could make for camp, you know, like to give you guys ideas of different things that you can cook. I'm gonna keep them simple, or at least give you guys tips on how to make it simple while you're at camp, because you guys already know I get a little bougie out here. So what I was thinking is just kind of like a library of different recipe ideas is really the whole point of this video and this series that I'm thinking about. So let me know what your thoughts are down below, though. Sometimes you just don't have time to go on a full-blown camping trip, or sometimes you just can't walk and go out and go camping. So, but luckily I'm better now. I'm still kind of gimping around a little bit just in the mornings, but overall I'm doing a lot better. So the camping content is coming back at you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys that watch and comment and like and subscribe to the channel. We're almost to 10,000 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed, please, please, please click that subscribe button if you're interested to follow along in all of our adventures down in Southern Nevada. But thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.